Gene Hackman and his wife have an interesting probate and trust issue. Let's clarify the difference between the facts and the speculation that have been reported in the news. We know based on the autopsies that Gene Hackman died at least 7 days after his wife. Why is that relevant? California has a 120-hour rule within their estates law. That means you have to survive the other individual by at least 5 days to be a survivor. Otherwise, you are deemed to have predeceased the other individual. In addition, within Betsy's will, she had a 90-day clause, which means she had to survive by 90 days. Now, the problem here is that we know that the will that was brought forth that people are reading that nominated his wife as the personal representative of his $80 million estate distributes everything to a trust. Now, why is that relevant? The trust is not brought forth to the probate court. I have not seen the trust itself. It's a private document. And there is speculation that because she died before him, that somehow automatically there is no contingent beneficiary of that trust. Meaning, if his wife has predeceased, which he did in this circumstance, there is no reference in that trust to name a successor. People have concluded that simply because the will mentions it going into the trust and she is predeceased, that somehow or another, all of this money is going to go to his children. And it may occur that way, but I don't believe that that information has been verified. I have not seen the trust to show that there is a contingent beneficiary to inherit these monies following Gene Hackman's death. So we're simply going to have to wait, because remember, the will has a pour-over provision. Everything's going to go into the trust and be distributed out of the trust.